and now give the floor to the representative of Plan International.
Mr. President, the Secretary-General's Envoy on Youth, Excellencies, thank you for convening this important session. My name is Rosengard, and I deliver these remarks on behalf of Plan International, a global humanitarian and development organization which works to ensure children's rights and equality for girls. At Plan International, we know that children and youth, especially girls and young women, in all their diversity, hold the knowledge, wisdom, and insight necessary to advise on solutions for the future, and therefore must be involved in all decision-making processes at the UN and General Assembly, as is their human right. The ingenuity, expertise, and leadership of girls and young women, and the meaningful inclusion of those who are most marginalized due to their intersecting identities, including but not limited to disability, race, indigenous identity, sexual orientation, gender identity, and gender expression, amongst others, must be fully integrated throughout the UN. We call attention to the fact that on occasions where youth are included at the UN, the most marginalized youth often are not. Frequently, youth participation is undermined by last-minute requests for participation. This increases the likelihood of safeguarding oversights and tokenistic engagement, and narrows the pool of youth participants, often to the exclusion of under 18s, particularly those from lower socioeconomic backgrounds. As a concrete measure, we call on the UN to ensure sufficient time and resources for more representative and inclusive youth engagement to occur. Excellencies, we are deeply concerned that inclusion and access to the UN for youth advocates has regressed in past years, including a decrease in member state youth delegates. Recent COVID-19 measures to limit UN access must not be a justification for the exclusion of youth, especially those under 18 and from the Global South. We implore the UN to partner with and work directly with girl and youth-led organizations throughout the entire decision-making process, from consultation to taking action. Plan International stands ready to facilitate diverse, representative, and meaningful engagement of youth in this work, and to platform the voices of girls and young women in all of their diversity. Thank you very much.
I thank the representative of Plan International.